welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to give you a throwback video. I did this video, I want to say last year sometime, on my Regal Designs by Shushana channel, and I just want to give you guys a throwback and give you some organization, motivation, and decluttering. So I'm going to be going through my kitchen pantry, my kitchen cabinets, and just getting rid of some food that has been expired and also reorganizing everything. So if you are ready for some motivation today, let's do this. So if you are new here to my channel, hello and welcome. My name is Shushana and I have two channels here on YouTube. My main channel is Regal Designs by Shushana, and I do a lot of DIYs, crafts, some seasonal and home decor, also a lot of thrifting and shop with me videos. I do upload at 12 noon on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and then on my second channel, which is the channel you're watching now, The Cleaning Queen, I do a lot of cleaning motivation, organization, some decluttering, and I upload at 12 noon as well, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So if you're interested in some cleaning motivation and some home decor, tours, and crafts, please consider subscribing. I couldn't get that out, but please consider subscribing and hit that bell twice so that you receive all my notifications and that you don't miss a video. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you yourself have some organization that you need to tackle, and don't forget to leave your comments down below because I absolutely love talking with you guys. I also do have an Amazon store that I will link below if you guys are interested in checking it out. I do have a lot of home essentials, some seasonal decor. Fall is coming up and I have tons of fall decor and Christmas decor on there as well. So I'm gonna leave you guys to it. Hope you enjoy the video.
I was looking like a fool when I met ya, all covered up in the dirt from my past. So insecure by myself when I met ya. Won't you give me any warning? I've been thinking about you day and night and day and night. To be honest, I just don't know what to do next. Cause I'm the one with a broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. I'm a mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby. Fool for you, baby. illogical. That's something that you do to me is chemical. I know it isn't logical. Something that you do to me. I'm the one with the broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. I'm a mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby. Fool for you, baby. Waiting for you to come out and save me. Fool for you.
So if you got this far into the video, I would love for you guys to go ahead and introduce yourself. Let me know if you like videos like this and if there are any videos that you would like to see here on my cleaning channel. I want to thank you all so much for your support. Thank you for watching every single week and for coming back. It means so much to me, and I hope you guys have a fantastic day. I want you to be unique, go inspire, and be inspired. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. My cabinets are going to get a complete makeover on the inside this year, but that is an empty cabinet. I got to get that over there, but this is my husband's shelf. This is where he puts all his vitamins and his organics and stuff. He's out, so he's actually going to be picking up some. And then this is my cabinet where I put all my tea towels. So I have them categorized for Christmas, fall and Thanksgiving, spring and summer, and then my everyday tea towels. There's a lot right now that's in the wash, so they're going to be coming back. And in this drawer, I just put like my my baggies, my matchsticks, and my lighter. I don't use foil paper because of the aluminum, but you know, this is where I will be putting all these items. As you see, I don't use a lot of them, but I do have the sandwich bags for my daughter because she normally takes snacks to school, and sometimes when we go out to church, they put their snacks in these little baggies because it's an hour ride to church and back home. So I have those there, and it's easily accessible to them as well. I'm not worried about the lighter or the match sticks because my kids don't play with that stuff. They're older, so they don't really play with that stuff. This is just all empty boxes to go into the recycling. And I organize my spice and medicine cabinets. So up there I have all of the medicine, and I put them at the very top so that they can stay out of reach of my kiddos. Again, they are older. They normally don't mess with these things, but I just like to make sure that they are out of reach. But if we needed to get it, that we would be able to. It's easily accessible. So I do have my son's EpiPen right at the very front, just in case he has an allergic reaction. I can go and grab that easily and administer it to him. Here on the second cabinet, I have all my larger items, my vinegar, my sauces, my coconut oils and things like that. It's easily accessible, and it's right over my stove, so I can just get them. And then my spice cabinet. I don't use a lot of spices. I normally stick to my natural organic spices. I am out of a few, turmeric, garlic, onion, all that stuff, but this is what my spice cabinet is looking like right now. And I have all my Caribbean spices, and then I have my cinnamon and my nutmeg and my cloves and my cayenne pepper, paprika, and then I have my salt on the bottom of that cabinet. So I'm thinking that that is looking really, really fabulous. And then here goes my pantry. We don't use a lot of canned goods. I just use a selected few. And this is what it's looking like. I think it looks so much better. It's so much more organized. So I have all my canned goods there, and then I have some snacks that's in packaging, and then I have other snacks that's out of packaging. So let me go closer. So I have cookies here, and then I have some breakfast biscuits, and then in the back I do have some pretzels. My kids love pretzels, raisins, Nutella, and then I have their Rice Krispie treats back there, peanut butter. I like to keep the snacks on these two shelves. I do have chips bags on the bottom because we tend to go to chips all the time when we're doing like family movie nights or game nights. But these are easily accessible to my kids as well. And then on this level I have my taller bottled items. So I have cereal in these two canisters, and then in this canister I have my pancake mix, I have my kidney beans back there, this is my basmati rice, and then back there I have some yellow rice, and then these two are my pasta canisters. Then down here I just have potato chips and granola bars, my bread, and then my kids do like some fruit snacks, so we do have those there as well for them. And then down here I just have like my sweet potatoes, my red potatoes, and my son absolutely loves these munchies, munchin soups, so we have that down there for him so that he can actually see that it's there. Yeah guys, so that is my pantry organization. It's probably not the most beautiful, but it is the most functional for our family. And I cook a lot. I cook from home, so we don't have a lot of snacks. Most of my snacks I do make, but they do have a few of their staples that is in there. And normally I go grocery shopping. I try to go grocery shopping twice a month now. And so I wait until everything is completely out, and then I stock up. I don't go to the grocery store and buy more chips on top of chips. I let them eat what's there, and then I go and I stock up, because it's a total waste to have to go to the grocery store, buying potato chips, buying snacks, and they have snacks here already. I'd rather for them to just empty out the pantry, and then mama will go shopping and grab some more.
I've been waiting all my life